let us spill this already spilled juice and get to this one. Guys, this one is intriguing to me because I was wondering with, oh, poor girl. So it says by MDN News, Noma Mngoma, previously known as Noma Gigaba, that's very important. Noma Mngoma finds love in prominent lawyer's arms. According to Zimoja, former Minister Malusi Gigaba's ex-wife Noma Mngoma has found love in the arms of ex-husband of a popular actress. The affair of the two lovebirds is said to have blossomed sometime last year after the lawyer separated from his second wife. The publication reports that the lawyer, who remarried after his nasty divorce from the actress, is said to be divorcing his current wife. Highly placed sources have been told that their relationship is faster than a speed of Gautrain as the pair has moved in together. According to another source that spoke to Zimoja, Noma left another famous lawyer boyfriend who was also going through a divorce. I guess when you are a divorcee, you have to go through those that are going through a divorce. They are not hiding that they are in a relationship. They are always dining and wining at different restaurants in Johannesburg and were even seen feeding each other, a source told Zimoja. The source further said that Noma has already met half of the lawyer's family. They have a lot in common. They both enjoy finer things in life and enjoy traveling. The couple is planning on taking their relationship to another level, the source says. Guys, according to another source that spoke to Zimoja, the lawyer has been instrumental in building Noma's business and also advising her. She also dresses him and designs his suits. The source further reveals that the lawyer, who is also a former telecoms boss, threw a surprise Valentine's celebration for Noma on the 14th of February 2024. It was a huge